certificates at the White House?
They all.
Okay.
The White House already know the foundation we put. Who funded all the peace process? 75% of the budget in Somalia, plus the whole UN, is paid by US.
Yes, I just wonder who your
The State Department,
who
the
your
State Department,
advocate-
yeah.
State
It's the
Department
same.
still
Yeah.
good?
The 19 agencies are there. Because foreign, you have to deal with the CIA.
One time I asked Susan Rice a tough question, and she said, Omar, shut up. I said, why? Because we pay the breakfast, lunch, and the dinner for the Amazon force. I said, okay, madam.
State Department, but remember, you are more stronger than State Department. You know why, right?
No.
Because you have the Somali community.
Well, there you go.
Yep,
Remember?
yep.
Yeah.
You have unlimited power here. The elite is here. So that's why I came here.
Thank you.
So every step I make, I consult with them. So when I go there, they call. Because I have to always, even if in Mogadishu, I come back here.
Yes.
I have to always talk to them because I have to reconcile them.
Yeah.
What I'm doing, I have to be transparent.
Yeah.
Different groups. That's why I was meeting Yusuf, the Majestan, which are Puntland. I have to meet the Hawi, which I came from. I have to meet the Ethiopian group. I have to meet the Kenyan Somali. The Somali, you have Somali Republic, and then you have big states, neighboring countries.
Right.
Djibouti, you have to see Ismail Gel. If I start something and you do not know, they will block me.
That's Somali culture.
So let me do it. You have to give us so everybody will support you. So they don't give weapons and little things.
Yeah.
So Ethiopia, you have to let them know. You have to play diplomacy, little bit of diplomacy.
Right.
So you say, I'm building the police, and I'm building here, I'm bringing them back. So they know in general.
Yes.
Otherwise, you know, and I think a good role also is the Home Security. FBI should be there also.
Yes.
Because FBI is well built. But remember, FBI, since your Nairobi was attacked, FBI was inside the US. Now the why? The CIA made a big mistake.
98.
Yes, the CIA worked with the Israeli intelligence,
Yep.
Mossad,
Yep.
Egyptian intelligence,
Yep.
Saudi intelligence, Qatar intelligence, Pakistani intelligence, SIS, and they created Islamists to overthrow communism.
Right.
So Putin is taking the revenge now.
Yeah.
Don't underestimate
In
Putin.
Afghanistan, you mean?
Yeah.
Al Qaeda.
Yes. So we have, and CIA could not do the fire itself. So you need home security, FBI helping the CIA. The CIA become very weak now. You understand? They train all these Islamists, but now they came back and become what we call Islamist warlords. So I'm just so we have to really work hard and help the CIA.
We recruited on, we're all lucky here.
Yes, that's what I mean. Sheikh Hassan and what's the name? 1978, because I saw the Minister of Interior fight Somalia. Sheikh Hassan Salat Hassan, who's now in Egypt. The Ikhwan Muslimin, they sent 1,000 Somalis, because Hassan Diaries was a member, to Afghanistan. They fought with the CIA. So this 1,000
He was
Somalis,
in prison in Egypt.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, so when they came back, this 1,000, some of them are running your, what do you call